Shalom everybody, here's another vlog with me at home doing I don't know what. I'm just starting the vlog just to film what I'm doing, but I just came back from a trip. Came back from Cabo yesterday. Me and Ryan were gone with Cabo and Costa Rica, I think together was like 2 weeks. So yes, we're back in Florida. You see the mess behind me. I have to do like a load of laundry. I just did my skincare and stuff with you guys, and yeah, just watch me do, I don't know, housework. Okay, so I'm in the middle of making my coffee, but the laundry just finished for the dark wash. So I'm gonna switch out the dark wash with the lighter wash and then go back and finish making my coffee. So I used to use these bounce dryer sheets. Then I found these on Amazon with amazing reviews, and they're better for the environment because you just keep on reusing them. And it helps dry your stuff. And you put 6 of them for a big load and 3 of them for a small load into the dryer every single time, and it works great. This is a pretty big load, so I'm just gonna put all of them. Okay, I finished making my coffee. Ryan's on the phone with his uncle outside, so I don't want to annoy them. But you guys probably can't hear me well. Anyways, there's some of the Ryan shirts that I like to hang instead of dry because it can shrink in the washer or it just doesn't fit as good. So, like some of his fishing shirts and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hang all of it. My ASOS dress, all that kind of stuff, I just hang all of it. The dark wash is in the dryer. I just put the white wash in the washer and I hung up all the clothes, and now I'm leaving this loud laundry room. So you guys, we were cleaning the house, and then we're gonna go run some errands real quick. I'm literally wearing a Goodwill shirt that I bought from the men's section. It's oversized with leggings, my new aloe flats slides, and then my Amazon sunglasses. It makes me look more put together, although I look like this. And here's Ryan. And yeah, we're just gonna go run some errands and we'll see you guys later. So I just picked up some Chipotle because we still have no food in the house at all. and I'm so hungry and I can't even function. And Ryan's going grocery shopping after he goes to Juma, so I'm not gonna have food until then. So I just got home and I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat my Chipotle in bed. I know I'm bad, but I'm eating it in bed. I'm gonna watch a Korean show really quick, and then once I'm done eating, I'll continue to clean this house and unpack and stuff.
구간이 명간이란 말 있잖아. 아, 그렇다고 정아 씨가 못한다는 얘기는 아니고 진주 쌤이 편하다는 얘기.
Today is the next day, but I haven't vlogged all day today because it was really just nothing and there was nothing to show. I pretty much spent most of my day cleaning and cutting chicken because we bought a 40-pound bag and I just wanted to like do it all in advance. And you know, just some cleaning around the house. And now we're inviting my in-laws and some friends over. So I'm making pasta, pesto, chicken, and then I'm making my sister's chocolate cake that she always makes. It's literally the recipe back here behind this thing, but the frosting she uses heavy cream and chocolate chips instead. So anyways, I'm gonna attempt to make that. We'll see how that goes, and yeah, I'll see you guys. All right, guys, we only have 1 cup measurement thing in the house, and Ryan is trying to stick the Parmesan in it, and now no one's using it because
now it is stuck.
I think you're pushing it in more.
Oh, I don't want to break this thing. Dang, I got it though. Oh! Oh!
No, just say hi everybody. We got some people from Toronto, from Tampa, from all the good places, you know. TT.
Mississauga, come on now.
Oh,
gotta stay true.
I can't, no, it's Toronto, it's not Mississauga.
Well, you can put this on top and flip it like
God, you're so smart. Oh, I love how it fell so easily. Yes, it's because of the butter and the parchment paper and the cocoa powder. You guys, look, I've made my first ever chocolate cake, and I kind of tasted it, and it's really good, but we'll see if everyone else likes it, right, Sada? And Sada is doing all my dishes because she's amazing as I'm preparing this cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lisa. Happy birthday to you.
سنة حلوة
يا جميل. سنة حلوة يا جميل. I'm not gonna sing because I'm holding the camera.
حلوة يا بسام. سنة حلوة يا بسام.
All right, Spanish. Nice. Okay, you guys, look at Sada's 2 words left that she has, and it's so hard for, this is code names, the game code names, and it's so hard to get this.
one is so easy. Okay. Oh my god.
No.
Okay.
Tell them
Just believe in yourself, it's okay.
Okay.
Sada, take your time.
She stuttered. It almost came out. It almost came out. I saw it.
Okay,
Just say it.
like odd two. Odd?
Odd two. Okay, close. Odd two.
That's actually genius, though.
I think I
Odd?
know this for sure.
Odd two. Okay. We really had to think about this.
Odd. I see it.
Bismillah.
I see it. Okay.
No, they're obviously two completely random different words. Watch it be like snowman and like lock. No, those are two things.
Wait, what? Oh, sorry.
Well, yeah, which one are you guys thinking?
we're thinking the two oddest words here are check and Loch Ness. I'm down for that. You down for that?
I'm down.
Okay.
What do we have to lose? Yeah.
Check. Yes. Yes.
Oh my god!
Nice.
Oh my god, Sana! I'm so happy!
Good job, Sana.
Oh
That was good.
I thought logically the two others who would have been Loch Ness.
Yeah, I was like, they could easily say
Bro, is this the
snowman or
black one?
something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
that was Ryan's favorite one was the black one.
Oh my god, that was so.
How do you feel? Soda, I was like, there's no way you were gonna win. With those two words, I'm like, you are gonna lose. You might as well just go home.
That's crazy.
That was good. That was
Oh my god, you guys. These were the last two words, and she got it. She got it just by saying odd. So you guys, my in-laws came over and we have some leftovers. We also have some wada aneb that Sada made from scratch. Yes, she's single. And we have PDQ, which I've never tasted, but we'll see how it tastes in a second.
Oh.
Salad.
Uh-oh.
Salad. Oh, sorry, salad. That's for healthy people. Bye.